Good morning. And here's a boat just fresh out of the mold.
I want to focus in on this over here.
Uh-oh. Morning. Marco, waxing the mold. Go out through this door. See who's making all this noise back here. And we have Tino cutting wood. What's happening? Show us how you do the wood. Ted.
There's probably no one on this one.
Smile.
Gotta be nuts.
Oh, well.
Hey, how you doing? Slaving away. Yeah.
The eternal repair.
It ain't done yet.
Go get it. Get out of here, man. I'm the white bean that cleans the floors.
Oh, and here's Ron's new office. Isn't this nice?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're on the air. New York, you're on the air.
Oh, Jerry, some people calls out of the office there, and people want to get through.
The really good callers get frustrated and just call the office.
Right.
Talk to Gary.
I mean, Gary has a great show going on out there.
Hey! You again? Hey! Christopher.
Got it. Ellen White.
That was me. Okay. It's more from you. Look at the first one.
Oh, man.
This guy's a friend of Jerry, and he just changed the colors on it. So, right on top. Go down. Tip over a grill thing here.
You know, hard at work making swim steps.